Winning Over Worry, Part 1. Hey everyone, I'm Sahil. Welcome to your favorite channel. Folks, has this ever happened to you? You go to bed at night, but your brain has 50 Chrome tabs open. And in one tab, an old song is playing, and in another, a 10-year calculation of what will happen in the future is running? Yes, this is what we call anxiety or worry. Simply put, our brain is a high-end processor, but we put so much load on it that the system overheats and the fan starts spinning loudly. In today's video, we're going to fix this software bug. This is Winning Over Worry, Part 1. Today, we'll be debugging the worries that come from health and wealth. So, let's get started. Debugging health. First, let's talk about health. Look, our body is an advanced biosuit. But when we constantly worry, a chemical called cortisol is released in our body. This is our body's spam notification. When our ancestors lived in the jungle, if a lion chased them, this chemical would appear. Run, kid, or you'll be dinner. But today? Today there's no lion. Today there's the boss's email or a traffic jam. But the brain thinks life is in danger. How do we hack this? 1. Move your body. When you feel worried, get your body moving. Just like we start a laptop when it hangs, walking or exercising is your body's soft reset. 2. Gut health. A clean gut, a clear mind. Science says that 95% of your serotonin, the happy hormone, is made in your gut. So if you eat junk food, your brain will definitely show error 404. So next time you're worried, think, am I really scared or am I just hungry? The wealth algorithm. Now let's move on to the second big topic, wealth or money. They say, neither father nor brother is bigger, money is the biggest. But this money causes the most tension. Financial worry is like a background app that constantly drains your battery. How do I pay the EMI? Will my savings be enough? Will the next trip be sponsored? Here, use a logical algorithm. Most of our worry is about the unknown. We're scared because we don't have the data. 1. Budgeting is coding. Keep track of your expenses. When you know where your money is going, half the fear just disappears. It's like defining variables in coding. 2. Emergency fund. I call this the backup server. If the main server crashes, there should be a backup. Set aside 6 months of expenses and then see how calm your mind becomes. Remember, being rich isn't just about increasing your bank balance, it's about having zero stress when you sleep. That's real wealth. Friends, health and wealth are just external peripherals. But true peace, which we call system optimization, comes from within. Spirituality is nothing but gaining admin access to your own mind. But in today's part, we've only fixed the body and money. But there are still two big villains left, relationships and inner peace. What will people say? And how to love yourself? We'll see that in part 2. Today's assignment. 1. Do some exercise, hardware maintenance. 2. Write down your expenses, data management. 3. And yes, don't forget to laugh, because laughter is the best antivirus. If you like this video, tap the like button like you're liking your crush's photo. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get a notification as soon as part 2 is uploaded. I'm Sahil, see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, and keep debugging your life. Ram Krishna Hari.